Travel does something to you. You think you're out here chasing the view, the postcard, the perfect light. But the real story is in the in-between. In the mornings, no one films. The meals, no one Instagrams. The faces that barely notice you. That's where the soul hides. And that's why I'm here, in Pyrgos. It's early. Pyrgos, still half asleep. A village remembering who it is before the world shows up. The town wakes slow, on its own time. The island before the noise, before it becomes someone's vacation. We're staying in for lunch today, making use of the open fire oven downstairs. But first, supplies. A quick trip to the market. Fruits, vegetables, maybe a handful of herbs. No shopping list, no plan. Just whatever looks too good to walk past. That's how it works here. The vegetables here look like they've actually seen sunlight. The kind of produce that tells you what lunch should be. No fancy packaging, no slogans, no marketing plans. Bags full, we carry on. We stop for fish, the kind that never saw a freezer, never crossed an ocean in a box. Just what the sea offered today. The way food used to be, before we made it complicated. Back at Villa Santa Croce, Stavros jumps in. It's time to start a fire. No gas, no timer, just wood, flame, and patience. So, Stavros here is a local who's gonna help us not to burn the place down. Lunch pulled from the net this morning. A little bit of oil, a little bit of salt. Vegetables tossed the simplest way possible. No recipes, no plating, just flavor meeting flame. The way things are when the ingredients speak for themselves. The smell hits first. Smoke, sea, and the charred bits. For a moment, the world feels as close to perfect as it gets. Emails, flights, the world outside this courtyard, gone. Just you, the fire, and the quiet moment that tastes like freedom. Lunch here isn't scheduled. It just happens when it's ready. Nothing's rushed. It drags out. A few bites, a sip of wine. The kind of meal that feels less like eating and more like belonging. And you start to think, maybe this is the point. Not the perfect view, not the list of places you have to see. Just life, beautifully unhurried. A quiet rebellion against everything that moves too fast. One of the villa's greatest luxuries: no tour buses idling outside the gate. No guides with umbrellas. No lines for the perfect selfie spot. Just peace, wide views, and honest Greek charm. This isn't sightseeing, it's living. Later, the light drops low. Wine in hand, horizon wide open. You raise your glass to no one in particular. To days like this, to simple things done well. To being here, unhurried, unpolished, free.